Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope that you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine by the mercy of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Mizanur Rahman, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National English University School, Morning Shift, Bonasri, Dhaka. Today, I am about to take an Islamic Studies class for the students of class Junior on. Our today's topic is Arabic word meaning kha to sin. Today's topic is Arabic word meaning kha to sin. Term half yearly. Today's lecture number 5, and I will give H.W. on the basis of today's lecture, which number will be 2. Okay, dear students, let's come to the board and listen. Arabic word meaning. This is the headline of this. Today's topic is Arabic word meaning. Arabic word meaning. Arabic word meaning kha to sin. This is today's topic, and today we will start from here, kha to sin, inshallah. Okay, dear students, firstly say with me loudly, kha for khairun. Kha for khairun. Khairun means good. Khairun means good. Kha for khairun. Khairun means good. Dal for darun. Dal for darun. Darun means house. Dal for darun. Darun means house. Dal for zahabun. Zahabun means gold. Dal for zahabun. Zahabun means gold. Ra for rijlun. Rijlun means leg. Ra for rijlun. Rijlun means leg. Za for zaharatun. Zaharatun means flower. Za for jaharatun. Jaharatun means flower. Sin for sinnun. Sinnun means teeth. Sin for sinnun. Sinnun means teeth. Okay, dear students, I want to repeat again. Kha for khairun. Khairun means good. G double O D, good. Kha for khairun. Khairun means good. G double O D, good. Dal for darun. Darun means house. House spelling is House, house. Dal for darun. Darun means house. House spelling is House, house. Dal for zahabun. Zahabun means gold. Gold, gold. Dal for zahabun. Zahabun means gold. Gold, gold. Ra for rijlun. Rijlun means leg. Leg spelling is Leg, leg. Leg, leg. Za for zaharatun. Zaharatun means flower. Za for zaharatun. Zaharatun means flower. Flower spelling is Flower, flower. Za for zaharatun. Zaharatun means flower. Flower spelling is Flower, flower. Okay, last one is sin for sinnun. Sinnun means teeth. Sin for sinnun. Sinnun means teeth. Teeth spelling is Teeth, teeth. Sin for sinnun. Sinnun means teeth. Teeth spelling is Teeth, teeth. Okay, dear students, this is enough today's lecture. Now I want to give H.W. Today's H.W. number is 2. Okay, dear students, we have already given your H.W. number 1, and it was writing Arabic alphabet from Alif to Ya. And today's H.W. is write Arabic word meaning kha to sin. Write Arabic word meaning kha to sin. Okay, you have to like this. This Arabic word meaning you have to like this. Write like this. Kha for khairun. Khairun means good. You have to like here to here. For every letter Then you have to write down dal. Dal for darun. D-A-R-U-N. Darun. Darun means house. H-O-U-S-E. House. Okay. Dear students, like this you have to write down from Kha to Sin. Total 6 letters. Kha, Dal, Zal, Ra, Za and Sin. You have to write down from Kha to Sin like this in your HW copy. Okay, dear students, you have to do your HW very carefully and completely and submit your HW on every Saturday from 9 am to 4 pm. Okay, dear students, I hope that you have understood this topic clearly. Keep practicing at home. Avoid by your parents. Stay well. See you again very soon, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.